Take a quarter-mile trip down memory lane at the Glory Days Vintage Drag Race, Car Show, and Swap Meet, presented by Jim Kasallis Mobile Truck Repair, August 19th, 20th, and 21st, 2022 at Byron Dragway in Byron, Illinois. Glory Days will feature 3 days and 2 nights of 1966 and earlier gassers, stock, super stock, front-engine dragsters, alters, and motorcycles. And on Sunday only, we will have the return of Muscle Car Sunday, which welcomes all American-made muscle cars 1979 and older. Gates open at 12 p.m. noon on Thursday, August 18th for early arrival parking and tech for racers and campers. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, swap meet vendors may enter Gate 2 at 8 a.m. daily. Racers can enter Gate 1 at 9 a.m. daily. Spectators may enter Gate 2 at 10 a.m. daily. Racing starts at 11 a.m. on Friday and Saturday, with racing under the lights Friday and Saturday night until approximately 9:30 p.m. Saturday will also feature the Miss Glory Days Pinup Contest and the VFW Honor Guard during the 6 p.m. pre-race ceremonies. And then on Sunday, racing starts at 10 a.m. and ends at approximately 4 p.m. Tickets are $20 on Friday and Saturday and only $15 on Sunday. Kids 12 and younger get in free all weekend, and every ticket's a pit pass. All tickets are sold at the gate upon arrival on the event day. There are no advance ticket sales. Parking is free. Racer registration remains open. To pre-register, just send an email to glorydaysrace@gmail.com. Tell us your name, contact information, year, make, and model of your vehicle, the approximate quarter-mile ET, and include a photo of the vehicle. There is no cost to pre-register. The $75 weekend-long racer entry fee will be collected at the gate. Camping spaces are $20 per night. No reservations. First come, first serve with plenty of acreage. No water, electrical, or dump station, so please come self-contained. Car show entries are free with the price of admission. Car show is for all cars 1972 and older. No need to pre-register for the car show. Just show up and enter through Gate 2. Swap meet spaces are also free with the price of admission. Again, no need to pre-register for the swap meet. Just enter through Gate 2. For any additional information, call Byron Dragway at 815-391-0000 or visit byrondragway.com. Information is subject to change.